What's going on, guys? Behind me I've got my Ram 1500 pickup truck. It's been a while since I've updated my video for you guys on the best LED fog lights that I can find for 4th gen Rams. So that's what this video is going to be about. You'll see here I got my truck, but these ones have been really bright. I made a video on these, I want to say 3-4 years ago. These ones have been really bright, but finally one burnt out. So you can notice this fog light is out. So I got some new ones here. I'm gonna install them. These ones have a really good review, so kind of excited to get them in, try them out. So first off, let's change out the passenger side. We'll compare it to this one, and then finally we'll swap them over and see how they look just on their own. So they're pretty easy to install. If you guys have never done this, you can literally just crawl underneath there, and there's 3 10mm head bolts and then just a plug on the back. So I'll walk through that process with you guys. We'll get them in, see how they look. All right, so here we are underneath, and you can see there the 3 10mm. So we'll loosen those off, and then we can just pull this out from the back here. And then here is our plug. So we'll squeeze the locking tab and we'll pull this off. Okay, so with the 3 bolts out, 1, 2, and then the third one over here, and the plug disconnected, this will just come out like so. And she's out. All right, so here's the new light. You can see it says R right here for right side, so let's get it in. Okay, so we got the new one in on the passenger side, and you can tell, look at how much brighter it is here on the shop floor versus that one. You don't have nearly the same amount of light, so much brighter already. All right, we just took the other driver side out. Here's the 2 old ones. Let's get the last new one in there. All right, guys, check out how bright these things are. This is literally just our fog lights. So it's keeping the light down low where we need it. And then as far as adjusting them, like I mentioned, I can reach down here with my hand and grab the adjuster. And you'll look here, if I loosen it, you'll notice that our beam is raising. So we can bring it up, and then tightening the wing nut will lower the fog light. So we can adjust them where we want. We'll try to get both of them even, and then we'll bring it up. All right, guys, this is literally just the fog lights. So if I turn them off, the fog lights off, just fog lights. And then I'll also turn on the Boosted Motorsports HID kit. It's gonna take a second here to warm up, but then it's really gonna come together. They both work hand in hand, you guys. So this is not high beams. This is just strictly low beams, Boosted Motorsports HID kit, and the LED fogs. And if I turn off the LED fogs, you'll see the Boosted Motorsports HID kit does a lot of the heavy lifting. But you can see all the stuff that's up close is what the fogs are taking care of. So this is just our Boosted Motorsports HID kit for the lows. And then there is with the fogs. So huge improvements. Like I said, this is the setup that I run on my personal vehicle. And then if we hit the high beams, it's like daylight in front of us. And again, if I turn everything off, it is completely nighttime out. So yeah, huge difference. The other important thing to note, you guys, with lighting stuff is the cutoff. So you can see there on the garage door, we've got a flat, even cutoff. So you can see down there, that's our fogs and the cutoff that they have down low. And then if I turn off my low beams, you can see down there that everything stays nice and low as well. So very important that you also have a cutoff as well on your lighting beam patterns. All right, guys, well, huge improvement on our fog lights. So I will link those fog lights down below for you guys, so you guys can go check them out. Also, if you guys don't already know, we do have the Boosted Motorsports HID kit, which is also installed on this. Makes a huge difference as well. So this is the combo after years of testing that I'm running on my personal truck. So definitely go check it out. It will make your visibility much better, much more improved, and I think you guys will like it. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, let me know down below if you guys want me to test more different LED fogs and different light combos. If you guys like videos like this, let me know down below. There's a ton of options for these LED fogs. So I happen to pick the ones that I like and that I've been using and work really well. So let me know your thoughts down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the subscribe and like button. Catch you guys on the next one.